We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a simple pimento cheese spread, y'all, and here are our ingredients. Here I have some sliced pimentos, and I'm going to chop those up because I like them diced. You can find them already diced in the grocery store, but I couldn't find them. I'm pouring my cheddar cheese in this bowl. I'm also pouring my sharp cheddar cheese. And I'm going to put like half of my package of cream cheese in here. Right here, y'all, I have some mayo and Miracle Whip mixed. I got more of the mayo in here, and I'm going to put all of that in there. Now here are my pimentos I done diced up. I'm going to add those. And we're going to mix all these ingredients together. Y'all, I like a more creamier pimento cheese spread, so I added some more Miracle Whip to mine. And we're going to continue to mix this up. Now I'm adding a few jalapeno peppers that was already diced in a can that I had purchased. But if you want to, you can use the fresh ones. Just chop you up some and add them to your pimento cheese. That's if you prefer. This step can be omitted. Now I'm tasting my cheese spread to make sure it's like you want it. I did add a little onion powder to mine. I wouldn't add the garlic powder, and you can also add some smoked paprika. I couldn't find mine at the time. We are now finished, and I'm going to be right back. For those who love the grilled pimento cheese sandwich, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show y'all how to grill your bread for your pimento cheese sandwich. Here I'm adding my bread, and I'm going to toast this on one side. Keep checking your bread until it's golden brown. This is the color that we're looking for. And we're going to do another slice just like that. And then we're going to put our grilled cheese sandwich together. Here I'm placing my pimento cheese spread on my bread. What I like about the pimento cheese, you can put it on just regular white bread without even toasting it. You can put it on stalk of celery. You can put it on some lettuce and just eat it like that. Or you can just eat it with some crackers. You have so many ways that you can eat this pimento cheese, y'all. And it is so good. Okay, y'all, I am finished with my sandwich. And I'm going to be back with the final result. Here, I'm showing y'all my pimento cheese sandwich. That I have my grilled pimento cheese sandwich. And I'm also going to show y'all that you can also put it on a crescent roll. Like if you want to take this to a party, if there's a party, a baby shower, or anything like that, you can put it on a crescent roll and serve it and place it on a serving dish. Your guest will be so happy for those pimento cheese sandwiches. Okay, I'm also going to show y'all that you can also just, like I said, you can just eat it with crackers. There's so many ways that you can eat this pimento cheese. Okay, here I'm showing y'all that I have some Ritz crackers, and I'm placing them on my plate, and I'm adding my pimento cheese on there just to show y'all that you can eat it with crackers. This is my end result on my pimento cheese spread. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. And I also want to say to my new viewers and subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Oh yes, I also want to mention that I do have a sister that has a home decor channel, y'all. Y'all go over there and check her out. The name of her channel is No Place Like Home with Miss Betty. I love watching her channel. Go by and show her some love and tell her Miss Brenda D sent you. Letting y'all know that I am so grateful for you all. I love y'all. And as always, I'm going to say, y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
That's a hit!